Hello, my name is Carley Needham, and this is my project on my green hotel slash green restaurant. I have chosen to do a green restaurant, and it is called From Earth to Table Cafe. And here is the name. I chose the location San Diego, California. The reason why I chose San Diego was because their average temperature is 70.5 degrees year round. This is ideal because I wanted my restaurant to have outdoor dining and to have windows to open to allow a cool breeze throughout the entire restaurant. It's a prime location choice because it is so close to the ocean, which is what I was looking for. The building design, I am looking to buy a facility, not to build. To me, that's more green, is to use what's already available. I want to have a lot of outdoor seating, really a restaurant that has open air areas in it with windows that open, and also have large fans and very limited AC. I feel like this would really be more green and would also help with utility cost. The furniture would be made out of the tables and chairs would be made from recycled bottles, and they would be purchased from Emocy chairs. They come with recycled. They're made out of recycled bottles, so it really would help for people to see that we're able to recycle materials and maybe bring it into their idea for their home as well. My wall coverings would be made from recycled wood. This really would help with the cafe style that I'm looking for, and it also would bring in more green aspects. My flooring would be concrete floors. The reason why is they would help with maintenance. You really wouldn't have to do a lot of repair on concrete floors, and it also helps with cleaning. They It's easier just to kind of hose a concrete floor down as to compared to putting down so many chemicals and having to have certain chemicals to treat certain flooring. So instead of having chemicals go off into the environment that I'm surrounding, I would rather just be able kind of to wash them down each night. So, what makes Earth to Table a green restaurant? So a lot of our serving materials, or all of our serving materials, excuse me, would be made out of recycled materials. So our plates, napkins, cups, and silverware would all be made out of recycled materials and then able to be recycled again. We would have bins located all around the restaurant for our guests to recycle their plates, napkins, and things. The kitchen equipment would be purchased from Catom Restaurant Supply. They are the leader when it comes to supplying green equipment for restaurants. And we would also have a backyard garden for our own produce. And so that way we could not have to buy produce, and then we can, make a compost pile and things like that. We would also purchase our fresh fish from the market, so pretty much our menu would be changing every day from what's available. In San Diego, there are a lot of fish markets that are located in the area, and so I was looking to have a restaurant that's pretty close by to one so I could go and purchase fresh fish every day. We would also buy from local farmers markets. The idea of, Earth to Table Cafe is to buy local and to support the local community. A lot of towns have farmers markets 3 times a week or maybe just 2 times a week, and that would be great to just be able to purchase a lot of our produce from the farmers market. What we can't grow in our backyard garden, we would be purchasing at the farmers market. So an impact on the surrounding community, we would be reducing waste, reduce our water usage, and reduce our energy usage. By reducing waste, we would have a compost pile in our backyard garden. That way we could put in any scraps that we have or anything like that. We could just compost it. And then we would also have recycling bins located all throughout the dining area for our guests to recycle their plates, napkins, and any bottles or glass that they have as well. The reduce of water usage, we would use low flow dishwashing parts. This would help, reduce our water usage, especially in an area, especially California, that is going through a drought currently. It's very important to watch our water usage. We would reduce energy by having giant ceiling fans and outdoor seating. This would break, we wouldn't need to have AC running constantly. And also by having everything be really open, we wouldn't have to have a lot of light. We would be able to use a lot of natural light during the day. So this would also help reduce our energy. So, for supporting the environmental programs for the community, we would have the employees find programs. We would empower the employees to go out and find things that we can do to give back to the community, to help with the environment or local programs. And this way we can, go out and do a couple of programs each and every month. So, from Earth to Table Cafe, we're using fresh local fish, fresh local produce, and we're a green restaurant. And that is the end of my project. So from Earth to Table Cafe really is embodying everything that we've gone over in class by reducing energy usage, by, impacting the community in a positive way. And, from Earth to Table Cafe is really going to embody that.